Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is A and B are sisters, C is mother of B, D is father of C, E is mother of D. How is A related to D? The given options are grandmother, grandfather, daughter and granddaughter. First C, A and B are sisters. We'll consider A and B are sisters. Usually the females are denoted by plus sign or any sign we can consider. For simplification I am considering plus. Okay. Next, C is mother of B. So C is mother of B. Okay. Next, D is father of C. So males are denoted by minus sign. Okay. Now D is what? Father of C. Okay. Next, E is mother of D. So E is mother of D. Okay. Now, how is A related to D? That means how is A is related to D? Fine. See here. C is mother of A, whereas D is father of C. That means A is granddaughter of D. Am I right? What is the question asked? They have asked how is A is related to D. That means A is what? Granddaughter of D. Now, what will be our answer? Answer will be granddaughter. Let us check the given options. The first option is grandmother, second is grandfather, third is daughter, whereas fourth is what? Granddaughter, which is the right one. Well friends, you may ask me or you may answer me that how is A related to D means you may say as grandfather. But what the question asked? The question asked was how A is related to D, not how D is related to A. If they had asked how D is related to A, then you could have answered as grandfather. Hence, it is important to read the question carefully and hence find the exact relation. Well friends, we will see some more problems.